Hello, this is Tyler Beamer from Haywood Community College. This is an instructional video for Math 152 and 1 Statistical Methods 1. The purpose of this video is to give calculator instructions using the graphing calculator to how to find factorials, how to also find permutations and combinations with the aid of a graphing calculator. I have the Chapter 4 Section 6 notes here that I posted to Moodle, and I would like to use these notes as a context for showing how to do these calculations on the calculator. So the fundamental counting rule, you could use your exponential button on your calculator to do that. I think most people know how to use your exponential button. So in this first example, we're looking at Social Security digits. So how many possible number combinations are there for randomly choosing a Social Security number? So you've got 10 possible digits for each digits in a Social Security number, the digits 0 through 9, and then you have 9 digits in a Social Security number, so you've got 9 choices for each digit placement in the Social Security number, so that would be 10 to the 9th power. Your calculator will do exponents 10 to the 9th, and there we go. Okay, so that's one use of the graphing calculator with this section. Factorial, if we take a look at it, factorial denotes the product of decreasing positive whole numbers. So this is a situation here where we would use a factorial. If you know the names of starting batters on a baseball team, probability of random selecting in batting order, getting the order that's used in the beginning of the game. So there's 9 players on a baseball team, so using the fundamental counting rule, once again, you'd have 9 options or 9 players to pick from the first batting spot, and then once you pick that one, you would have 8 choices, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so on and so forth, which is the same as 9 factorial. You could punch these numbers into your calculator and do the multiplication, but it might be easier if you use the math probability number 4, which is the explanation point. So that's your factorial button. You'd want to put the 9 in first, so 9, and then math PRB number 4 explanation point. So that gives you 9 factorial, and then the calculator will actually do this calculation for you. Which can then be helpful. Okay. Permutations. Permutations are arrangement of items in which the order matters. So, if we were picking a 3-digit PIN number, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, these would all be different possibilities, since the order in which those numbers are arranged matters. And we could use our calculator to find permutations. You do have your mathematical definition of permutations, where n is the number of items, r is the number that you're choosing, and this is without replacement, or with replacement, or without replacement, sorry. So you could use your factorial button in your calculator to calculate this as well, but your calculator will do this for you if you go to math, and then PRB, which is probability. Once again, you've got number 2 and PR, that's your permutations. So if we wanted to do permutation 3, so 3 items, choose 3 items, and the order matters. So put in the number of items I begin with, go to math, PRB, number 2, NPR, put in the number of items that I'm choosing, and then enter, and then that will calculate that for me. So this would be a 6, as we can see here. So that may be helpful. Okay. Your calculator will also do combinations for you. Combinations are arrangement of items in which the order does not matter. So you could, this is one example of pizza toppings. Having a pizza with pepperoni and onions, and then a pizza with onions and pepperonis, it's the same pizza. It doesn't matter which topping gets put on first, so the order doesn't matter. Once again, your calculator will do this for you. Once again, go to Math, Probability, NCR. That's your combination, and that'll actually complete this for you. And you have your mathematical definition here with your factorials if you want to use it. So if we put in the number of items to begin with, Math, PRB, combinations, and how many you're choosing. So 4 toppings, choosing 2, order doesn't matter, hit enter, and once again we'll get that same answer. So calculator might save you some time having to punch all this in with factorials and whatnot. So I would probably recommend using that when completing your homework problems. Okay, I hope this helps out. If you have any questions, please stop by office hours or shoot me an email. Okay, thank you.